The M3U8 file type is not a video, it is a playlist for streaming video, HLS. It points to thousands of tiny video chunks on the internet. VLC Player can stream it directly. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer. Let's watch the stream. If you frequently deal with unusual M3U8 file types, a universal file viewer is an essential tool. We'll cover exactly the one I use and recommend later in the walkthrough. An M3U8 file is a plaintext playlist file format, commonly used for HTTP live streaming, HLS. It contains an ordered list of uniform resource identifiers, URIs, that specify the locations of media files, typically audio or video segments. M3U8. Playlists are essential for adaptive bitrate streaming, allowing video quality to adjust based on network conditions. M3U8 files are UTF-8 encoded text files. They contain directives and URIs with each line representing either a directive, starting with ext, or a URI. The directives provide metadata about the playlist and the media segments. The URIs point to the actual media files, which are typically encoded in formats like TS, transport stream, or fragmented MP4. It is standard practice to open the M3U8 format using the designated VLC media player by VideoLAN. Opening this file with an unknown Windows program poses a critical security risk. Windows can play these files, but modifying structure or quality requires editing software. We're testing the file structure now. Right-click the M3U8 file and choose Open With. If VLC Media Player is installed, start there. If not, select another application. Different apps handle edge cases uniquely. When an M3U8 file fails to open, it is usually for a basic reason. If you're still with me that M3U8 file is truly stubborn, we need to stop guessing and start testing. Let's check these critical failure points now. First, use Media Player. Open the file using a universal media player, e.g. VLC Media Player, QuickTime, that supports streaming playlists. Next, open as text. Open the M3U8 file in a text editor, Notepad, to view the stream URLs and check for dead links. Finally, check encoding. Ensure the file is saved with UTF-8 encoding. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. Rather than guessing, you can try switching to a dedicated parsing engine that is built to identify file structures autonomously and may offer a better chance of opening stubborn formats. It's time for the master key. When the simpler solutions for your file were unsuccessful, you need the format agnostic power of FileMagick. Get the download link at filemagick.com. Confirm your success in the comments, hit subscribe so you don't miss any of my upcoming technical guides.